Here I have Realme C55, and today I'm going to show you how to format SD card on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open Files application, but not just an ordinary Files application, but the one by Google's. Google's Files. So when you're on this application, you have to go to the SD card, tap on three dots, go to the storage settings and select format. Then tap format SD card, and after a few seconds SD card will be formatted and ready to be used anew. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.